Hello and welcome to this lesson on negative enlargement. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to understand what a negative scale factor really means in enlargements. Next, you'll learn the step-by-step method to enlarge a shape using a negative scale factor. And finally, you'll apply this idea by working backwards, reversing a negative enlargement, turning the final shape back into the original. Let's get started. When you enlarge a shape using a negative scale factor, the shape not only increases in size, but also flips direction, as though rotated 180 degrees. This means the image is mirrored to the opposite side of the center of enlargement. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's recall the steps for a regular enlargement. Let's use a scale factor of -2 and a center of enlargement at 1, 1. You find the distance from each point to the center. If our shape has a point at 2, 2, we calculate the distance for the 2 points. The distance is 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up. Now, multiply this distance by -2. 1 times -2 is equals to -2, and 1 times -2 is equals to -2. This means the point will move 2 units to the left and 2 units down of the center. The new point will be -1, -1. The shape is flipped to the opposite side of the center. Now let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. Let's look at this problem where we are enlarging a shape using a scale factor of -2 with the center of enlargement at the point 1, 1. The first step is to measure the distance from each point of the original shape to the center of enlargement, which is 1, 1. Next, we multiply this distance by the negative scale factor, which is -2. For the first point, 2, 1, we measure the distance of 2 points, which is 1 unit to the right and 0 units up. Now multiplying the distance by -2 gives us the new point, so we move 2 points from the center of enlargement to the left and 0 down. For the next point, we measure the distance of 2 points, which is 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up. Now, multiplying the distance by -2 gives us the new point, so we move 2 points from the center of enlargement to the left and 2 down. We repeat this process for the other points in the shape, and we get the new coordinates. 3, 2 becomes -3, -1. 3, 3 becomes -3, -3. 4, 1 becomes -5, 1. 4, 3 becomes -5, -3. After performing this for all points, we plot the new coordinates on the grid, and you'll see the transformed shape, which we label as A'. And that's how we enlarge a shape with a negative scale factor.